Hello friends, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can change navigation bar settings or how you can change navigation bar location and type. So before starting video, if you're new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So to change navigation bar settings in Realme Narzo 30 or Narzo 30 5G, first of all you just need to open settings. So simply first just open settings and then follow your step as I'm showing you in this video.